ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೀಕರು, ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಸು ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಸಾಹೇಬರು, ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಗಾಂಧಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಸುವರ್ಣಸೌಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ MPsಗೂ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಶಾಸಕರು ಕೂಡ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರ ಪ್ರತಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ಅವತ್ತೊಂದು ದಿನ 26ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಆವರಣ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ, ಇದು ACC ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ.
ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿ
ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ACCಯ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಂತ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಅವರು, ಸಚಿವಾಲ ಅವರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೆಷರರ್ ಮೆಕೆನ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪತ್ರಿಕಾಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ಐತಿಹಾಸಿಕವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾವೇಶದ ಪೂರ್ವ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ, ಚರಿತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಜನತೆಗೆ, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಜನತೆಗೆ, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಜನತೆ, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು H K ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಆಗಿ, ಸತೀಶ್ ರಾವ್ ಆಗಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾಳ್ಕರ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೇಶಪಾಂಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ AC ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಅವರ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್, ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್, he knows better Karnataka than all of us. He will address all of you. Please, sir.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji, General Secretary in charge of Karnataka, Dewala ji, Professor Market ji, Satish ji, H K Patil ji, senior leaders and dear media friends. With great pride, we are here in Belgaum today to oversee the arrangements of program which is going to be held on 26th and 27th of this month in Belgaum. Do note the importance of the program. In 1924, December 26, one of the historical conference of Indian National Congress had been here in Belgaum. In that conference only, Father of the Nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, elected as a Congress president. In the history of the Congress Party from 1985 till his death, only one time Mahatma Gandhi ji became the Congress president. Even though throughout his life and throughout his political career, he was the guiding light for the Indian National Congress. He himself held the position of the Congress presidency only one time. That was happened in Belgaum in 1924, December 26. Now we are sitting in 2024, December 26. 100 years. 100 years already over. So it is a pride moment of every congressman in this country to celebrate the moment of Mahatma Gandhi made as a Congress president. That conference, of course, had given so many messages to the freedom movement and the country, which we are going to be deliberate again in this session. The legacy of Mahatma Gandhi as a Congress president, I think every Congress people keeping that is in their mind, that's in their mind, the proud and happiest. Now, we people know about the country's atmosphere today. Mahatma Gandhi fought for Ahimsa. Mahatma Gandhi got freedom against British Raj through Ahimsa, through love and affection, through spreading equality. All these qualities are vanished by this BJP. You know that. There is no equality in this country. Richer becoming richer. Only one man interest is going to be happen in this country now. Poor people are become more poor. Richer people are becoming more richer. All PSU has been sold out. Everything is going to whom? Everything is going to one person. That's what everybody now. Equality is not at all there. We are talking about the caste census. Why? The poor people of SC, ST, OBC and poor people of general community also need to have a protection which is totally denied in this era. But we are talking about the equality which Mahatma Gandhi spoken 100 years before. We are talking about the love and affection which is totally destroyed by BJP. Every bird nafrat ka basa hai. Completely they are spreading hatred only hatred. Every day they are spreading hatred. In the name of religion, they are spreading hatred only one agenda, to divide people, Hindu Muslim, Hindu Christian. Only one agenda. Now they want to hijack entire democratic process also. That's what their intention. Therefore, basically this Belgaum conference is going to be one of the biggest turning point in Indian political history and turning point for the Congress Party's movements. We need to take a biggest call from Belgaum. How we fought against this dictator's Raj of BJP and Narendra Modi. I think that's why this conference is going to be the biggest important conference. I am very much confident that Karnataka Congress Party is making it a grand success. That type of arrangements we are witnessing here. And our Honorable Chief Minister is also here to support in a very big manner. 26th is the extended working committee. 26th afternoon, 3 o'clock, there will be an extended working committee. Our extended working committee means CWC members, permanent invitees, special invitees, and PCC presidents, CLP leaders, and parliamentary party office bearers, along with the front organization. This is what the next day, the biggest Mammoth rally will be taking place in Belgaum. Lakhs of people will be participating in that meeting. Basically, this is going to be a biggest conference where the entire leadership of the Congress Party is participating. With this today, we will highlight entire Karnataka. I think we will highlight entire Karnataka and entire country at the same day. AICC already given an instruction to all Pradesh Congress Committee and DCC Committee to celebrate in the same manner. Here it will be a grand function. But all over India, everywhere, function will be there on 26th December. Thank you.
So what is the agenda for this today, particularly for CWC meeting?
Like we have told already, we are the current political situation. Definitely there will be an analysis of the current political situation and the way in which this BJP government is bringing laws and bringing their ideology through bulldozing these legislations. Everything will be discussed, and basically Congress Party's ideology also. No, this three enough is most important enough. Satya, truth is the biggest thing which our Rahul Gandhi every time, every program mentioning about that. Truth. Equality, which we are mentioning about the caste census, everything, we are asking for equality from this government. Certainly, these three, Satyagraha also the basic movement, we need Satyagraha. Along with these three Certainly, there are other measures to tackle. That measures will be discussing in the Congress Working Committee. We will present a paper in the Working Committee. After that, complete discussion will be there. After the discussion, we will come out with the paper.
Sir, one nation, one election bill was being
So that all we discussed.
No, I have one day, that already has been voted in the parliament. You know that in Lok Sabha.
महात्मा गांधी ने
One nation, one election means it is a clear intention. One nation, no election. BJP's main mudda is that only. One nation, no election. They don't want to have a democratic process at all. To sabotage the entire democratic process, gradually they are bringing this new idea of one nation, one election. Karnataka has their own speciality. Kerala has another speciality. Manipur will have another speciality. Jammu Kashmir will have another speciality. That unity in diversity is the beauty of this country. That is the beauty of this country. So these people, that what they want, they are not believing in this democracy, they are not believing in this diversity, they are not believing in anything. Because that's why I don't think this is not at all practical. I don't think it is going to pass also in the parliament. Let us see.
ಇದಲ್ಲದೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ
invite other political parties in this program.
This program we are doing on ourselves. We will have a future programs. That point of time definitely we will think about.
ಬೇರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯವರು ಕೆಲವರು ಬಟ್ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರ ಪ್ರತಿಮೆ ಅನಾವರಣ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯವರು
Yes, this will be a long program. This is a beginning only in welcome. We will talk out different program. That working committee will decide different program.
Sir, will this, sir, one more thing. Will this program be used to give a message to allies that Congress is more assertive because in wake of the national situation?
आदरणीय साथी, जैसा महासचिव संगठन श्री केसी वेणुगोपाल ने कहा, महात्मा गांधी जी की भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस की अध्यक्षता के 100 साल अपने आप में न केवल बेलगांव और कर्नाटक के हर नागरिक के लिए, पर देश के हर नागरिक के लिए सैद्धांतिक तौर से, सामाजिक तौर से, राजनीतिक परिवर्तन और इसीलिए श्रीमान मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी ने, श्री राहुल गांधी जी ने, श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी ने और कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व ने ये निर्णय किया कि बेलगांव जो भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस के आज़ादी के आंदोलन से जुड़ी हुई भूमि है, बेलगांव जहां महात्मा गांधी 6 बार आए, बेलगांव जहां वो एक ही बार भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष बने, उसी भूमि से बदलाव का एक नया संकल्प लेकर परिवर्तन की और लोगों के लोक कल्याण की एक नई राह पर कांग्रेस पार्टी को चलना है और पूरे देश को एक नया रास्ता दिखाना है। जैसा श्री केसी वेणुगोपाल जी ने कहा, एक तरफ वो ताकतें थी तब ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी की, एक तरफ आज और ताकतें हैं ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी जैसे ही मोडानी एंड कंपनी, मोदी अडानी एंड कंपनी, वो भी गरीबों, दलितों, पिछड़ों, आदिवासियों, दलितों, उन पर और उनके अधिकारों पर, देश के अधिकारों पर आक्रमण कर रहे थे। आज मोडानी एंड कंपनी भी, जैसा वेणुगोपाल जी ने कहा, उसी प्रकार से गरीबों, दलितों, पिछड़ों, आदिवासियों, सामान्य वर्गों के गरीबों और मध्यम वर्ग उनके अधिकारों पर आक्रमण कर रहे हैं। वो वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन भी उसी षड्यंत्र का हिस्सा है, क्योंकि जब वो संविधान नहीं बदल पा रहे, वो संविधान खत्म नहीं कर पा रहे, तो चोर दरवाजे से पंडित नेहरू, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर, मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद और स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों द्वारा बनाए गए संविधान पर चोर दरवाजे से हमला बोल रहे हैं। उसके अलग अलग रूप हैं। उसकी अलग अलग इनइक्वालिटी है और इसलिए 100 साल के बाद जहां महात्मा गांधी की स्मृति में कांग्रेस की एक्सटेंडेड वर्किंग कमेटी और उसके बाद एक जनसभा हुई और उसमें बाकायदा जैसा आपने फरमाया और आपने पूछा था, चर्चा के बाद अनेकों निर्णय लिए जाएंगे, पर उस दिन की ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी और आज की मोडानी एंड कंपनी में क्योंकि कोई अंतर नहीं, इसलिए नई सैद्धांतिक लड़ाई की इस देश को आवश्यकता है। बेलगाम उसे फिर राह दिखाएगा, रास्ता दिखाएगा, कर्नाटक रास्ता दिखाएगा, ऐसा हमें विश्वास है।
थैंक यू।
தரம் என்றும் நிரந்தரம், தரம் என்றும் நிரந்தரம், தரம் என்றும் நிரந்தரம். வாங்க.